Hey guys, good day to you. Today I want to sharing this 5 ringgit banknote, but before that, let's take a look the preview design. It's polymer as well, signature by Madam Zeti. So they have a new design was announced on 2011, December 22nd. This is the new design. So let's check it out. What is the difference? And what I know is increase more security features. Here was applied the micro lettering. If we compare with previous, doesn't apply. And here also apply the micro lettering, and this 5 inside this number was apply micro lettering as well. Here is the national flower. This is the national flower, Bank Negara Malaysia. Clear windows. This time the shadow is one kind of the bird. This bird name is called rhinoceros hornbill. It's the most biggest sign in the world. And this transparent window, we can see the numeral 5 inside. And then if let's say this background is black color, we can see this is a purple. But when we use the white color as a background, this color will be changed to be green color. Very clever design here. Okay, let's continue to take a look. Here have a raised printing area. Here have a logo, crescent and star. Non-complete 5 at this area. Reverse as well, because it's non-transparent window. When we use the torchlight, we can see the complete 5. The reverse first prefix is start from AA. Foreigns, quite beautiful. And here also apply micro lettering here as well. The rhinoceros hornbill. In here, I want to share one of what I found is UV light effect. The national flower have the UV light effect, but if compared with the first prefix AA, doesn't have. The start from, I'm not sure it start from AS. This national flower have applied the UV light effect, the UV ink, but the first one, AA, first prefix doesn't apply. But the reverse NBM5 parking there and number 5 with this rhinoceros hornbill, we can see very clearly the UV light effect. And then this prefix signature by Madam Zeti the last prefix is BK. And then for the first prefix for the Mr. Muhammad bin Ibrahim, it starts from BL. And this pattern of traditional fabric, the songket, is more lighter if we compare with the latest prefix, for example AS. You can see the first few prefix green color songket will be more lighter if we compare with the latest one. Thank you for your watching. See you in next video. Bye.